next one I'm going to do is number 14. So I just did a side angle side situation, and this one is a side situation. We don't know any angles. We can use the law of cosines to figure this out. So I am going to write down, and you can actually find any angle, so you can use any one of those three, and this is triangle ABC. So I'm going to write down, I'm going to find angle A, so I'm going to go A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times the cosine of A. Okay, so this is little a, this is little b, and this is little c. So I have a squared, so I'm going to go 12.9 squared equals 10.5 squared plus 11.9 squared minus 2 times 10.5 . I'm going to move this over a little bit more, times 11.9 times the cosine of angle A. Now, what we're trying to find, our unknown, is over here. It's the cosine of A. So I'm going to square my 12.9, which is 166.41. If you do that on the calculator, I'm going to square my 10.5, which is 110.25. I'm going to square my 11.9 here, which is 141.61. Okay, and then I'm going to multiply these things in front of my cosine or cos A together. If I do 2 times 10.5 times 11.9, it's minus 249.9 cosine A, and that's attached to the cosine of A. So now I can combine these two on this side. I cannot put the minus 249.9 with it. So we're going to go 166.41 equals, if I put these two together, I get 251.86 minus 249.9 cosine A. And again, you cannot combine these. These are not like terms. This has a variable on it right here, and that does not. So your next step is to minus your 251.86 minus 251.86. So negative 85.45 is equal to negative 249.9 cosine A. Now I got to undo that, multiplying by cosine A, so I divide by negative 249.9, divide by negative 249.9. So cosine of A is equal to, and I'm going to go to 4 decimal places, so about 3.3419. So I do inverse cosine of 0.3419. So if you use that button on your calculator, A is about 70.0 degrees. Okay, so if we go back up here, angle A is about 70 degrees. Now I need to do a law of sines, because I got to find angle B and angle C, and I don't know two angles yet. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to do my work up above. I now know this pair, so I can go sine 70 over 12.9 equals, and I'm just going to choose angle B, so I'm going to go sine B all over 10.5. If I cross multiply and divide the sine of B, I would take this times this and divide by 12.9. So 10.5 times sine of 70 equals on the calculator divided by 12.9, and that should be about 0.7649. I'm limited on space here, so I'm not going to do that. And then if I do inverse sine and put in my 0.7649, angle B is about 49.9 degrees. Okay, so now we've found angle B, 49.9, and now I can just subtract to find angle C from 180. So C will equal 180 minus 70 and minus 49.9. So angle C, if I do that subtraction, should be about 60.1 degrees. So that's a side-side-side situation.